Welcome to the future of farming. In today's video, we'll explore solar-powered innovations in agriculture that are transforming how we grow food and manage resources. From efficient water management to cutting-edge tech in monitoring, solar energy is at the heart of modern farming. Let's dive in. So, what is solar-powered agriculture? It's the use of solar energy to power various farming processes, making agriculture more sustainable, cost-effective, and accessible, even in the most remote regions. With the rising demand for cleaner energy, solar power is now a key player in reshaping modern farming. First on the list is solar-powered irrigation. Solar pumps use the sun's energy to pull water from wells or rivers, reducing the need for traditional fuel-powered systems. This not only lowers costs but also reduces water waste. Farmers in remote areas especially benefit from solar irrigation, as it provides an affordable and reliable way to manage water, even where electricity is scarce. Another exciting innovation is solar-powered cold storage. After harvesting, many farmers face the challenge of keeping crops fresh before they reach the market. Solar-powered refrigeration systems offer a sustainable solution to this issue. This helps to reduce post-harvest losses, extend the shelf life of crops, and support small farmers who can now store and sell their produce over a longer period. Next, we have solar-powered greenhouses. These greenhouses use solar energy to control heating, cooling, and lighting, creating ideal conditions for year-round farming. This not only increases crop yield but also reduces the operational costs for farmers, making farming more profitable while using clean energy. In precision agriculture, solar-powered drones are revolutionizing how farms are monitored. These drones gather real-time data on crop health, soil conditions, and irrigation efficiency. With solar energy, drones can work longer hours and provide farmers with vital insights, improving productivity and decision-making. For livestock management, solar-powered electric fences provide a secure and sustainable solution. These fences are easy to install in remote areas, keeping animals safe without the need for conventional electricity. They're cost-effective and ideal for farms that rely on off-grid solutions. However, solar-powered agriculture comes with challenges. High initial setup costs and access to technology in developing regions are some of the hurdles farmers face. Additionally, energy storage during cloudy days or at night is still a concern. The future looks bright, though. Advances in solar panel efficiency and energy storage technologies are making solar-powered agriculture more accessible than ever. In the coming years, we'll see solar energy integrated with other renewables, paving the way for a sustainable farming revolution. Solar-powered innovations in agriculture are not just about saving costs, they're about building a sustainable and resilient future for farming. If you're excited about the possibilities of solar in agriculture, be sure to explore how these solutions can help improve your farm or local community. If you like this video, kindly like, comment, and subscribe for more innovative farming insights.